Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the Friday Bitcoin update. We're going to see what's going on for the weekend. Yep, we're going to go over the metrics, take a look at that. Things aren't looking too bad, honestly. Actually, a little more bullish than I thought on Bitcoin. The overall market is looking like it's probably going to take a little bit of a dip down. I'll show you guys this with Ethereum real quick. Ethereum did reach a high here, started to pull back. I'm going to go through a bunch of different coins here today, so I'm kind of just going to... This is not a coin wrap up, but it's kind of like that. ADA pulling back here, Dogecoin obviously pulling back as well. I was looking at this a couple days ago saying, guys, a market cannot keep going up as bullish as a lot of you guys want it to. I mean, look at this bull flag on Avalanche. Do you guys see this right here? This is absolutely incredibly a bullish sign in the market. I know it's at the bottom here, but this usually will look to break to the upside. Here's my call for the weekend, and I'll go over the metrics and all that stuff because I want to show it to you guys. Look, it's just a temporary drop in the market. I really do believe this is just a temporary drop back down for a healthy higher low to form a higher high. Look at Shiba Inu. You guys are currently sitting at negative 1.93, and then Luna. These are very close to being our next winning trade, so definitely watch this. Okay, let's dive in here. So we're currently sitting at 112 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade ever, and it's probably just going to continue. Again, the next ones are going to be Shiba Inu, and then we're going to be taking a win on Luna, Avalanche, Polygon, Matic, and then Mana, which is Decentraland. Taking a look at retail traders moving into the weekend here, we can see that majority of the indicators are, they're pretty bullish. So I wouldn't doubt, guys, for Bitcoin, it's 46,000. We've been talking about this forever. It's just 46,000. We're either going to go up to 46 and break back down, or we'll hit 46 and probably go sideways. You see it happen a lot of times. You get to these levels and you start either consolidating a little bit or you just start moving back down. I do think once it gets up here, we will see a move back down on Bitcoin. Kind of a no-brainer a little bit. Now, yes, it can push up here. We can look to move down, short squeeze all the shorts, and this could actually blast back up. But what I want you guys to see here is trend exhaustion is moving out from the top red section, while money flow moving out here. So this is interesting. The well money flow, it was moving up, and now it starts to actually move down in the same duration while price is going up. This is partly has to do, and I'm just going to dive into the metrics here. The emotional index is high here. Great. I want to show this to you guys down here. The market cap for Bitcoin is moving down. So money is literally moving out of Bitcoin while the price is going up. This is absolutely undisputed. You can see it over here. Price is going up and market cap is moving down. Well, what do you make of this? This literally means that retail traders are continuing to pump this and big money is taking their money out, okay? Retail traders are not moving the market cap, guys. They're not. This is Cathie Woods, Michael Saylor, the big boys. When they start moving money around, that's when you can drop a market cap within 6 days like this. Not retail traders, okay? The collective retail traders as a whole, they do hold quite a bit of money in the market, but these are Wells institutions over here. They are already taking money out of Bitcoin and they're putting it in other coins. So this could mean that this is abandoning people to the upside, possibly retail traders not expecting to go too much higher because they might be seeing the drop happen soon. These two indicators, real quick, guys, I want to say this because I know a lot of you guys are watching these videos. We have 6 days left for our sell. You guys know when trend exhaustion is high, well money flow is high, you're looking at these areas. When you start pushing up in these top red zones, you can see right here and right here, you guys need to be looking for drops back down in the market, okay? Overextensions, drops back down, overextension, drops back down, okay? Watch these. This is how we're going to be calling the moves down and up in the future calls on crypto, and you guys do get 84% off all these. You guys can look at it on Ethereum, on any other thing you want. Also, we're using these to scalp the market. When trend exhaustion is low and well money flow is low, you guys are looking for a 3 to 4% profit. You guys have done great. Not a single person who's actually ever traded our scalping strategy has lost a trade because we pretty much been going up since then. And I give you guys really good risk management in the strategy if you guys watch that in the masterclass. Emotional index is sitting up into the excited area. So I simply just look at the past. What's happened in the past, guys? The best thing to do with data, once you have it, is to see how has this data performed in the past and can we use that as predictive data to forecast what could happen in the future. When the market does get excited over here, we are seeing market moves back down. So it's pretty simple here. We are definitely looking for a higher low formation. Where is that at? I really think this is probably the best spot we're going to come back down to, and it's right at about $43,000. Okay, let's continue down. Long for short trades, I talked about this already, but long trades are pretty much staying steady. If over the weekend, guys, long trades actually increases over here and short trades increase, it's actually a bullish sign. I know it may seem like it cancels out, But I would say it's actually more bullish because of how high elevated the long trades are. This actually shows more momentum the higher they are up here versus short trades, if that makes sense. Like there's more money pushing this up here than there is for short trades, okay? So as far as a big drop back down, I don't think we're going to get one of these drops that goes all the way back down here. The reason for that is short trades are not increasing that much. They're just not. This tells me that even people who want to short the market, they're not actually aggressively going after it, because if they were, they would have done that over here, or they would have done that over here, and they would have, we would probably see some drops back down in the market. Okay, they definitely didn't get their way right here. The market started going back up, so they took their shorts completely out, and longs just took over. Okay, the market cap, already talked about this a little bit, but guys, market cap is moving down. This is a bearish sign. It really is, because it means that people are taking their money out of Bitcoin. It doesn't mean the price can't go up, but what it really does mean is that it's abandoning pretty much retail traders to the upside. So a lot of coins are seeing this. Let me go over this as well, give you guys a little bit more update. Let's come over here. Let's go down to Ethereum. I'll show you guys this on Ethereum. Market cap is moving down for Ethereum. Actually, I'm sorry guys, my apologies. This actually updated this morning. Okay, this is interesting. Market cap's going up on Ethereum. Sorry, guys. While Bitcoin's market cap is actually going down, which means there's actually a little bit more bullish sentiment on Ethereum right now than Bitcoin. But if you guys come over here and you actually look at the other coins, let's look at a couple more over here. I know I was looking at Cardano today to see what this guy was looking like. I know the market cap is moving down for Cardano. What I think could be happening here, you can see it just moving down a little bit here. What may be happening is people are taking their money out of the coins like Cardano and these altcoins, and they could be pushing them into stable coins. So that's what I want you guys to be watching. Stable coins still sitting obviously at 3 and 5 over here. So watch us over the next few days. Really, the biggest thing I'm looking for the market to turn around and really start pumping is to get stable coins out of the top 5 or the top 10 of crypto. It's going to take a lot. I understand that. But when that happens, it will mean that people are taking money out of their stable coin. They're putting it back into the market because they believe they can make more money trading it than they can just holding it, or possibly even staking it at places. All right, let's take a look at this. We're sitting up into the good short trade area, so I wouldn't doubt if this does give us a precursor for a move back down. Again, the weekend is probably going to be bearish, if not going into Monday, Tuesday, seeing a little bit of move back down. That's totally fine. Wells and institutions coming out here looking to short the market as well, so definitely be watching out for that move back down. That totally makes sense. Resistance up here. Again, it's 46,000. The move back down is going to be right around this area. It's going to be around, $43,000. It's just 43,000, guys. That's where I would say is a predictive move back down. Look at this, dollar cost average entries. If you guys got into any of these spots down here, congratulations. You've done very, very well. All of you guys are in the profit. And if you guys would like to exit, you guys should do this. Now, we ended up taking off the exit points, and here's the reason for that. We did an assessment of all the metrics, and we're like, you know what? Are we performing the best on all the metrics as we can? And we're like, you know what? There's too much confusion about the exit points. And plus, we have better indicators to actually give you guys exits. When trend exhaustion is high in the top red section and well money flow is high, let me show you guys this like back here. Here's an obvious example. When these two are high, this is the best place to look for an exit in your long trades. It's actually better quality data than what we had for the exit points. But if you guys don't have the indicators, that's okay. You can still actually use the well institutional smart money. When these guys are in a let me do this backwards actually. When these guys are seeing the market go up, they're coming out with short trades. That's actually what you can use to give you guys a gauge of how strong the selling pressure is probably going to enter in with the Wells institution. So you can use that as exit points. On top of that, you can also use this metric up here when it says good short trade or great short trade. That is a time where you guys can actually look to exit your long trades for a move back down. And again, on top of that, actually, you can even use the emotional index where you guys can look for this to push up into the excited and greedy area for a move back down. So really we had 4 metrics doing the same thing. We're like, we don't need to be redundant here. Let's just give you guys the quality and get focused on what we really want to be looking at. One more metric here, and I'll show you guys how to set up a trade. Looking at this, the 50 moving average is still below the 200-day moving average. Once the 50 comes above the 200, guys, this may be getting extremely bullish. So definitely be watching that. Okay, you guys ready for this? Let's go over trade setup. This is how we're winning all of our trades. So if you guys are brand new, this is how you want to do this. You can copy me if you would like. Choose the amount you want to enter this trade with. Let's say it's $1,000, okay? Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250, and place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 here, okay? On Bitcoin, obviously we can see it over here. These are your prices. They're going to update every day, even over the weekend, okay? Once this first buy limit is hit, you want to set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit in your exchange. This is in case the market just skyrockets up, goes really fast. You want to take money out of the market. I am going to be calling an exit, guys, very soon on Bitcoin if we get anywhere close to this resistance up here. This is the structure I'm looking for to get us out of the market, and then we'll get back in. It's right around that $51,000 mark. We'll take about, let me give you guys an estimate of how much we're going to look to take for profit on this. 51,000, even 50,000. It's probably around 10%. We'll look to take about 10% profit on this, and we're just going to get back in. If that happens, that will mean that Luna already exited in the profit. Shiba Inu already exited in the profit. Most likely Avalanche and Mana will already exit in the profit as well. So we've got like 4 or 5 coins right now that if you guys are watching us and you want to get into some good coins, those are the ones you guys should be setting trades up on right now and following me, because you guys can take those as the next winners. I will call out all of those exit in Telegram. And once we call an exit, I'll show you guys and tell you exactly when I'm getting back into those coins so you can follow me with the buy limits. And I am trading with my own money over here. 150,000 is break even at 143. So we're not sitting down. I mean, we're down less than 10%, which is absolutely amazing. It's been really cool to watch this market come back with you guys. All right, last but not least, real quick, the indicators, just so you guys know this. All the indicators, they're 84% off. You guys get all of them. This isn't just like 3 or 4. You guys get all 9 of our indicators. The 3 that you need the most are these 3 right here, because these are the ones that we use every single day on the charts. And then we also use them to call exits on all of our trades. And plus, guys, you actually get to use these 2 indicators here with the actual scalping strategy that we have. We had a guy take the scalping strategy and just trade with these and kind of maximize it out. He did $43,000 with the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow. It was pretty insane. This guy down here is doing $100 to $400 a week on average with our strategy and indicators. It's pretty crazy as well. This guy over here is like, I have your indicators and feel like a god. This guy over here, some guy did like 4,000. Yeah, Travis, I made $4,000 plus in 24 hours on the outlay of 20,000 just using the indicators. The indicators, guys, I know I didn't go into big to them a lot today. Watch the other Bitcoin videos and the other Ethereum videos that I've done. I'll show you the accuracy of them. And by the way, if you guys want to come into the new theater, I called it the crypto theater. You guys, all the YouTube videos will come out here. Watch the accuracy of the indicators on Ethereum. Watch it over here on Luna. Guys, snag these because they will be going up in price in 6 days. It's the lowest price we have ever had these indicators for. Another way of saying this, we will never have our indicators lower than this price. This is the lowest price you guys can get our indicators. You will never see a discount lower than this dollar amount ever. So click here, enter coupon code March at checkout. You guys will get all of our indicators for one purchase, not a monthly purchase. And you guys also get the source code to all of our indicators. Okay? We literally have the highest selling and ranking product on all of Gumroad for education, for trading, for indicators, and Bitcoin. All 4 of those. And there's actually more categories we ranked number 1 for. We actually got a letter, an email from Gumroad saying that we were in the top 200 sellers. So I don't know if we're number 1 or 200. But anyways, you guys have done this for us. And what we're doing, the reason why we're up that high is we are discounting stuff so cheap right now so you guys can have this in the bear market. I understand people are down in their portfolios. So what I'm doing is I'm running a sale for you guys that's better than our last year's Black Friday sale. Literally, this percentage is off more than our Black Friday sale last year. And we are going to up the price of this in 6 days. March 31st at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This will no longer be available. We are going to up it back to the price it was before we got here. So make sure you guys just do this right now and snag this before the weekend. And take the weekend to set things up, as well as the membership. Snag this, guys. You'll get access to all the metrics as well as the Telegram channel. So hope you guys have a really good weekend. And yeah, guys, it's just been a super fun time to go through this. The market's turning around. We love the emails coming through. You guys are getting excited. You guys are starting to make money again. The testimonials are rolling in. You guys are doing thousands of dollars of profit. It's just been really fun to trade with you guys. And we've got some fun things planned for 2022 that we'll share with you guys in probably the next 2 or 3 weeks. But it's going to be a blast. I hope you guys have a good weekend. God bless you guys so much. Look for a temporary drop down in crypto. Don't be nervous. And I believe we need a temporary drop down to continue this move back up into next week. So let it drop. It's going to be healthy. And then we'll pick up on Monday where we left off. The links to the membership as well as the indicators are in the description. I'll see you guys later. Email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com if you have any questions. And set everything up for the weekend. Join us on Monday. Let's make some money, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.